Hi there, my name is Princess May Abarico, and I would like to take a couple of minutes to share to you why hiring me as your online English tutor will benefit you and your organization. First, I earned my bachelor's degree in information technology at Northeastern Mindanao Colleges. After that, I spent a year taking up teacher certificate curriculum at Surigao State College of Technology, where I was introduced to new and diverse experience in education and gained valuable teaching skills. I am personally very motivated, very passionate, and very attentive in and out of work. Currently, I am a part time English tutor at Engu Online English. I am responsible for teaching both kids and adults. I have already garnered three teaching certificates, namely TESOL, TFL, and TYL. I also engage in a multitude of other essential roles outside teaching. For example, web design, content creation, and video and photo editing. I excel at creative graphic design work, SEO, and social media marketing and management. I bring commitment, great enthusiasm, creativity, and very positive outlook in everything I do. You can find more information and my sample work by visiting my website at amavicreatives at wordpress.com. Thank you for watching, and I do look forward meeting you in the near future. Bye.